Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Shopify to Printful and upload variants correctly. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify account. Once you're on the Shopify dashboard, navigate to the Apps section on the left-hand menu. Click on Visit the Shopify App Store to search for Printful. In the search bar, type Printful and press Enter. Find the Printful app in the search results and click on it. Click the Add App button to begin the installation process. Authorize the connection between Shopify and Printful by clicking Install App. You'll be redirected to the Printful website, where you should either log in or create a new account. Once logged in, follow the on-screen prompts to connect your Shopify store. After connecting, navigate back to the Printful dashboard. From there, click on Product Templates to start creating your items. Select Add Product to choose the type of item you want to sell. Browse through the available categories, such as apparel, accessories, or home decor. Once you select a category, choose a specific product that fits your vision. Customize your product by uploading your design and selecting colors or sizes. Ensure that you fill out the product details, including titles and descriptions. When you have finalized your product design, click Save Product. Now, under the Variants section, add any additional variants, such as different sizes or colors. Be sure to ensure that the pricing is set correctly for each variant. Once you have added all the variants, click Push to Store to add the product to Shopify. Return to your Shopify dashboard and navigate to the Products section. Here, you should see the newly added product listed. Click on the product to review all the details and make any necessary edits. Check the product variants to confirm that they are displaying correctly in your Shopify store. Adjust any settings as needed, such as inventory management or shipping options. Finally, preview your online store to see how the product appears to customers. Your Shopify store is now successfully connected to Printful, and your product variants are set up correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.